Alright guys, so we're here in Ohio today. We're just about over here at the shop. We're in Wadsworth, Ohio, which is near Akron. In case you don't know where Wadsworth is. Northeast part of Ohio. We've kind of been just running our regular run over the last couple of weeks. I really haven't made any videos really. I've taken video footage, but I haven't done anything with it. Just been taking it easy, been doing the same thing that I always do, running between Fulton, New York and Waterbury, Vermont. And delivered my last load yesterday. Took the trailer, empty trailer, back to the plant in Fulton, New York, dropped it, and made my way over here. Stopped at Harbor Creek Travel Centers of America, or the TA, there last night for my 10-hour break. And just finishing up the trip now. Gonna get oil filters and lube on the tractor. I'm gonna get the tri-pack serviced, oil and filters, not lubed. And then we're going after the brackets that hold up the DPF and SCR filters, which are underneath the passenger side floor here. Gonna change the DPF filter. Typically the DPF lasts between 600,000 and 700,000 miles, and I've got 708,000 miles on the truck now. Probably got a little bit of extra time out of mine because I don't really idle at all, and I haven't had any problems with the after treatment system really, except for a couple sensors over the last couple of years. But figure we got it all apart, you might as well put the new filter in now. It'll be easier. If we sent it out to get cleaned, which they can be cleaned up to a certain point, and it doesn't pass the test, then we still got to pay for the cleaning and buy a new filter. So figure just put a new one in, and we can run some tests on the SCR filter, which should be good. Really don't have a lot of problems with the SCR unless you've had problems with your after treatment system, or you idle the truck a lot. So I don't really idle this truck hardly at all. I do have the tri-pack, so I don't really need to idle it. But that's what we're doing. Also gonna look over the truck real well because I got the Landstar 120-day inspection due by next Thursday. So we gotta make sure we don't have any problems, any like wheel seal leaks or any problems with the brakes or anything like that. You know, whatever needs to be done to make sure we're in good shape for an inspection. And that's about it. Today's Sunday. The mechanic's coming in here in a little while and gonna do some work today, so which is nice. And then hopefully we'll be finished up by tomorrow night, Monday night. So we'll see. Hopefully we don't run into any problems. If we do, we might be here till Tuesday. So you never know. Yeah, but anyway, I really haven't done a lot of videos since the first of the new year. I've taken a lot of footage, but I haven't done anything with it. So I think what I'll do now is I'll show you a little montage of what I have taken since the last time I made a video. I guess the last video I made was the hike that I took, the solo hike. But we'll make up something here and show it to you, and come back and talk to you later. Alright, so we're here at Waterbury. Just got done hooking up to my empty trailer. It's all swept out and ready to go. Just doing one last walk around here. Man, it has started snowing again, so not too heavy right now, but there's quite a bit of snow on the ground here. right, I delivered Waterbury. I'm on the ferry here on my way back over to Fulton to pick up another one to deliver tomorrow. So we're gonna have snow again tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm already probably running about an hour behind according to the schedule. Supposed to be delivering at 4 o'clock. Today I delivered at 5:15, so probably going to be about the same tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what the snow is going to bring. They got a winter storm watch for the area around Watertown, so it's kind of more localized. It's going to be, I think, a lot more lake effect snow, so I don't think it's going to be a widespread snow event. Anyway, I'm not sure yet if I have a delivery Saturday. Kind of almost hoping I don't, so I can go home after I deliver tomorrow night, but we'll see what happens. This is about the worst whiteouts I've seen in a long time. Wow. This would be totally impassable in the dark. I was able to get 3 bottles of this is the Power Service diesel fuel supplement I was telling you about. So they only had 3 bottles on the shelf and I grabbed all of them. Alright, that was our quick stop at Tractor Supply here in Gouverneur. Gonna get back on the road, and the truck is definitely a snow bomb. A snowball. Snow bomb, snowball, something like that. Alright guys, so here we are. We made it back down to Fulton and hooked up to my loaded trailer, and what do you know, we got 2 tires that are flat right off the rim. So I don't know how that happens. I hope nobody drove it in there like that. I don't see any obvious damage to anything. So unless there was an air leak on that PSI system that keeps the tires aired up, and it leaked out while it was parked, and then they loaded it and you know, like spun it around real tight when the tires were flat. That could pull them off the rims, but I don't see anything, like the rims aren't bent or anything like that, so I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna be waiting for the the Petro to come all the way from Waterloo, New York. They're saying about 4 hours, so we are stuck here, and nothing we can do. All right, it's Sunday night and the mechanic has gone on home. Got a lot of progress done. Got the DPF filter out of the truck, which would sits right up here on top of the other filter, which is the SCR filter. Here is the DPF filter right here on the floor. And this filter has 3 different chambers on it. Each one does something different. Don't ask me what. But when we get the new one in, we have to mark everything correctly so that it ends up in the same orientation. There's the inlet side here, where the exhaust goes in from the motor. This is where it comes out. Down here. Comes out of here, so this all got to be lined up correctly. It comes out of the DEF filter and then goes into this pipe right here, back down through this pipe here, and that is the where the DEF fluid gets sprayed in. Comes around, comes into the SCR filter and passes through that and then out the exhaust. So the brackets that we were replacing, the reason we got all this, here's one of them here. Let's get over here in the light. You can see it a little better. But this is one of the old brackets, and you can see how rusted out it is. So it's in really bad shape compared to a new one. So there's a new one. Much better. These holes are all elongated. Everything's all rusted out on those. So those are the new plates over there. Got new clamps over here. These are the filters for the engine PM. Those are the filters for the tri-pack PM. So this is what we're replacing. This rusted out hunk of metal here. Anyway, I think the mechanic will be back in about 8:30, 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll get started again. And probably have this thing done by tomorrow evening, I would say. Anyway, we will see you on the next video. I'll let you know how everything went. Everybody take care. Be well. Bye for now.